Okay, this is the moment of truth. We're going to test this 1 kilowatt amplifier here to see how much this can really push at 8 ohms, 6 ohms, and 4 ohms load. It says on the border 2 kilowatt. So, but this amp is 1 kilowatt only. So I guess there's a different version of this board that can do 2 kilowatt. But this board is only rated for 1 kilowatt BTR mode. First, we're going to see what is the voltage output of the main power supply. That is going to the power amp. So we have some test point there. That's the plus VCC and the negative VCC. We're going to measure that with our multimeter here. Okay, so that is 150 volts from the negative rail to the positive rail. So this means the voltage output of this power supply is the dual 75 volts going to the main amp. This is the DC offset output of the amplifier. So the amplifier is now connected to our 8 ohms dummy load. This is our 8 ohms dummy load here. So I'm now going to increase the input to the amp so we can see the maximum voltage output of the amplifier before clipping. I'm pointing the camera at the amplifier in case it blows up. We will be able to see what happened. So currently this is our output, around 57 volts peak to peak, and it's still not clipping. So that's our output, around 137 volts peak to peak, and it's still not clipping, but there's a lot of noise at the top now. So it looks like this is the maximum voltage output of the amplifier at 8 ohms load, 146 to 148 volts peak to peak. This is our THD. It's around 2.6%. We're at the 10% range, so that's around 2.6%. I'll be back after I change this to our 6 ohms dummy load. I have the 6 ohms dummy load now connected. I have the fire extinguisher there in case of emergency. Okay, let's turn this on. Okay, that's output. That is our output, around 30 volts peak to peak. So I'm going to point the camera here at the amplifier while adjusting the input to the amplifier. So looks like that is the maximum voltage output of the amplifier at 6 ohms load, around 160 volts peak to peak, 162, 160 volts peak to peak. Now let's look at the THD. We're at the 10% range, so that's about 4.6%. This is our result: 8 ohms, 148 volts peak to peak, 2.6% THD, 6 ohms, 160 volts peak to peak, 4.6% THD. Now I'm going to change our dummy load to 4 ohms load. We have now our 4 ohms dummy load connected. Let's turn this on. It's clipping at around 142, it's clipping 138. I'm going to lower the input, dump a little bit. Okay, so Still clipping a little bit. Okay, so that is the maximum voltage output before clipping, around 136 volts peak to peak at 4 ohms load. And our we're at the 10% range, and DTHD is around 2%. Let's look at our 8 ohms, 6 ohms, and 4 ohms result. 148 divide 2.828 squared by 8. So it's doing around 342 watts RMS at 8 ohms load. Okay, at 6 ohms load, 160 volts peak to peak, 160 divide 2.828 squared divide 6. So it's doing around 533 watts RMS at 6 ohms load. Now at 4 ohms load, 136 volts peak to peak, 36 divide 2.828 squared divide by 4. So it's doing about 578 watts RMS at 4 ohms load. So this is our results at 8 ohms, 6 ohms, and 4 ohms load. 342 watts RMS at 8 ohms load. And this amp is rated at 250 watts RMS at 8 ohms. So it's doing more compared to its rated power, but at 2.6% THD and 530 watts RMS at 6 ohms, 4.6% THD, and at 4 ohms it's doing 578 watts at 2% THD, and this amp is rated at 500 watts RMS at 8 ohms, not 8 ohms, I mean 4 ohms, so it was able to meet its rated power but at 2% THD. Next, we're going to check if this amplifier can really do 1 kilowatt at 8 ohms load in BTL mode. So that is our BTL switch. So this is our BTL switch here, bridge stereo. So I'll be back after I configure this amp in BTL mode. I seem to be having some problem using the 1 kHz low noise oscillator in BTL mode. So we'll be using this signal gen here to supply 1 kHz to our amplifier. So that's our signal, 1 kHz. We need about 253 volts peak to peak to get 1 kilowatt at 8 ohms load. So I'll be pointing the camera to the board in case it blows up. So I'm going to increase the input to the amplifier now. Okay, so that is around 192 volts, just around 50 volts more. Okay, trip. We need more current. Okay, that's 280 volts peak to peak. So the power supply is still tripped. So we need to reduce the input to the amp a little bit since it is clipping anyway. So that is our input, our output 100. We need. Okay, so that is 253 volts. Okay, so that's around 258 volts peak to peak now. The top and bottom of this signal is very noisy, but it's still not clipping. So this amp can really do 1 kilowatt. And our THD, we're at that 10% range. So that's 3%. So that's around 1.4%. So I'm going to turn this off now because I can smell the dummy load now. It's very hot. This is the result for 8 ohms BTL. So this amplifier can really do 1 kilowatt. It can do 1056 watts RMS at 8 ohms load at 1.4% THD. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time.